The Hulk has been known to cover hundreds of miles in a single bound. And what is the approximate angle regarding the leap taken once? The Hulk has been known to cover hundreds of miles in a single bound and once leaped almost into orbit around the Earth. One orbit around the Earth denotes 360 degrees of angle approximately. We know that square has four angles. Each is a right angle, that is 90 degrees, and so sum of the angles are 360 degrees, which is the same angle. Angle equals 4 times the angle created between a tangent of an arc and its radius. The sum of the three angles of any triangle is 180 degrees. So the correct answers are choice A and choice E. Choice A and choice C are the correct answer, and we can eliminate choice B. So the correct answer is choice A and choice C.